these all natural fibers and the natural dyes are actually sustainable for the environment at the same.
Last year, we partnered with OSU's Department of Design, Housing, and Merchandise in order to learn more about the indigo plant and the natural dyes it produces versus synthetic dyes. Well, behind the scenes, this got us discussing additional plants and the importance that plants play in their textile industry. Recently, we paired up with the department again as they took some fashion and merchandising students down to Altus, Oklahoma to see the cotton harvest firsthand as it goes from dirt to shirt.
I'm June Park. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Design, Housing, and Merchandising in the College of Education and Human Sciences. So this field trip was made possible through the grants, curriculum grants that I and a group of our DHM faculty members received from Cotton Incorporated. So currently, over 200 students in our program are participating in one of the cotton grant participating classes for this semester. So our program, Design, Housing, and Merchandising, has 3 different option areas: apparel design, interior design, and apparel merchandising. So our students can take a variety of career paths from apparel and interior design, like a design and product development area, and retail and marketing side of end products, clothing and interior design products made of cotton fiber, obviously, and sourcing and supply chain areas as well. So we have a mix of those 3 different option areas in our group.
My name is Carson Scott. I'm a junior at Oklahoma State University, and I'm a fashion design major. I'm thinking right now about becoming a wedding dress designer, which uses a lot of synthetic materials, but it would be nice to figure out ways to incorporate natural materials like cotton into wedding dress design. I will definitely focus on sustainability and working to reduce waste and being more environmentally friendly.
Sustainability is one of the things that in the cotton industry we're working very hard for. Now, sustainability has a lot to do with the way cotton's grown, really the people that handle the cotton, and what it takes to get cotton to market and to the consumer. There are 17 states that grow cotton in the United States. Oklahoma is the 4th largest planter of cotton in the United States. Most of the cotton you're seeing right now is cotton that was harvested, what I'm going to call locally, within a 50-mile radius probably, and probably some of the best cotton in the world. What makes the cotton here special, some of the best in the world, is the climate, the water availability, and the farmers that grow it.
This is the product that the farmer is bringing to us right now. This is what's called a module, an actual round module itself. We take this product through the gin. We're extracting 3 main parts from it, one being the lint, which is the main product that the farmer gets paid on. The second main product that comes out of this is the cotton seed itself, and then the burr, the hull, or the trash part of the module that gets just hauled off and disposed of. So all of our finished lint bales that come out of our gin go to the cotton compress, and then that's where it's marketed and distributed from there, whether the farmer is in the PCCA pool or they have got outside contracts for each individual bale, or if they're just going to sell the product on the open market themselves. That marketing strategy is up to them, but all the bales leave here and go to the compress.
When you saw it come off the press at the gin, there was a sample pulled from each side of this bale, and then one of the cards that goes with this bale, everywhere it goes, the bottom of it was put with those 2 samples. It goes from there to a classing office. It's a government classing office, and they will tell you the color, length of fiber, strength of fiber, thickness of fiber, all the things that the merchants want to know about that the spinners later on need. So you take that, and that is what cotton is sold by. And it makes a big difference as to what our cotton is worth and what it's used for. To me, I'm really pleased to see the fashion students look here, because these are the people that are going to be making the call somewhere down the road as to what fabric is used in what they're producing, because they will be part of the, quote, dirt to shirt folks who will make the call. And we want them to see the advantage of cotton, how it's handled, the importance of it, and when it comes their time to lead that fashion team, we want them to come back and say, let's go to cotton.
The coolest thing was being able to walk in the cotton fields and be able to see the cotton growing from the ground itself. We always see cotton in its final stage, but never actually see it whenever it's in the bowl, and that was such a unique experience.
In the era of fast fashion and synthetic fibers, I think students might tend to think that clothing is made out of some kind of materials that can be easily manufactured. So this agriculture side of fiber production is somewhat disregarded, because it's kind of hard to connect our knowledge of fashion to the agriculture knowledge. So when they come out here and see how the cotton is actually cultivated and harvested, I think they can develop more new and different perspectives on fiber, fashion, and hopefully more sustainable fashion.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.